Alrighty. I don't even know if this is working right. Okay, so how do I reverse it? Well, first of all, can everybody hear me? Hope. I'm trying to figure out how to reverse the screen. Hello, hello, hello. Because I don't know if anybody can even hear me. So, at least I can be heard. Now I just got to figure out how to flip this frickin' screen because this backwardness is driving me nuts. And I don't see anywhere to let me flip the damn screen. I thought it was just a little button, but apparently it's not. Oh, well, I'm not a big fan of this reversed screen, and I still do not see where. No, no. Hello. Well, I was gonna start picking on this Medico, but I'm not a big fan of the reversed, and I know it's reversed because of my running timestamp, date timestamp at the top is backwards, right? Or is it? Wait a minute. Yeah, looks like it's to me. So I don't know. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to pick it backwards, I guess. I guess this is video and storage, screen image. I don't know what it did. Nope, nope. Back the hell out of that. Well, maybe sooner or later somebody else will get on here who knows more about it than I do. Uh, and can, oh, yeah, I've got the sniffles and I hate sniffling while live, but it probably can't be avoided, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Alrighty, I got this here Medico. I'm not really sure which exactly one it is, but Grouchy Lenny says that it's a purple lock, so I'm gonna go with that since it's his lock. I may end up having to go into the other vice. This one, it's split pretty bad, so it doesn't hold this for squat. And it appears as though I may end up having to put it in the other vise in order to do my tensioning the way I want. Yep. Oh. I do have a mail call video recorded, but YouTube's being retarded and won't let me publish it yet, so there's that. Yeah. Having all kinds of fun. Nothing is binding. So am I missing something here somewhere? Okay, this has 5 pins. So I don't know if that changes anything. This is my first time even seeing it in person, so obviously first time picking a Medico. It's going to take me a bit, it seems, to get the feel for it. And nothing. Oh no, I'm using the OBS. Uh, Seeing if I can't that, and I want to do that because once I figure out this thing, there's all kinds of I can just click buttons and turn things. I don't know what that's about. I can just click buttons and turn stuff on and off. And so I really would like to be able to use the OBS, but like I said, I am not a fan of this reverse because I look up there and I'm like, well, wait a minute, nothing is right. Because what I'm looking at and then what I'm on the screen is no, yeah, it just messes with me pretty bad. I don't have that kind of mental acuity to keep up. Yes, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. And I don't want to pick on this Medico without it being recorded in some manner or another because that'll be the time it opens, and then it's like, oh yeah, wow, okay, now I got to get it on camera so that I can gut it, so that I can get credit for it for the belt. But yeah, okay, well, you know what? Just because it would be my luck. Okay, so it is in the vise, and the key still works. I did that once a while back where I put it in the vise and I clamped the vise down so hard on it or whatever that the key wouldn't turn. So yeah, obviously if the key won't turn, it won't picking it, even if I got everyone to the shear line, if the key won't turn it, then I wouldn't be able to turn it either. So Adobe is to flip mirror output. Oh, uh, yeah. Okay, to be honest with you, I'm pretty sure now that I don't know the. Let's see here. Is there okay, I do not see a flip anywhere. Of course, that doesn't mean there isn't one. It just means my blind ass doesn't see it. Okay, that's to select. Well, I'll I'll have to look into it a little bit more. I'm still not feeling the greatest. I mean, I feel a lot better than I did yesterday, and even better than the day before. But Wow. I am not feeling squat. Hmm. That's 40, so let's see if the 50 will. Under sources, right click on the video source. That is funny. Transform. Okay. Hide the mixture. Transform. Aha! Eureka! Thank you, G Keyman. I really appreciate it. It looks like it got flipped. Except for it's not flipped here. Huh. Maybe it didn't get flipped. Well, now it's backwards in OBS. And I'm not sure if that changed it in. Okay, well, it did change the orientation to where everything's, that's right. It looks like it changed the video, but date, my date timestamp is still backwards. Oh, I'll I'll probably say heck with it and stop messing with it because I just can't seem to get OBS to work with anything correctly the way I want it to, and I just don't have the patience to mess with it. So, I mean, I do like all the extras that I can get with the OBS, but it's not. It's become to the point where it's not worth the hassle, to be honest with you. Okay, I am getting frustrated. Oh, I should probably get some sleep and try again while I'm not sleep deprived. And then get all my toys arranged. And so, well, sorry y'all, it was such a short go this time around, but oh, you know what? Give this one a run on live just because. Well, if I can find a tensioner, that'll get in here. Well, looks like I'm going to have to create a tensioner for this one. This one is just too big. It won't go in there. Have I already? Nope. Looks like that one might work. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I'm guessing I'm just too tired at the moment because that one's that back in here. Oh, let's see how tired I actually am here, or how bad a day it's been going to be if I continue. Favoritist 410. Yep. It, oh, there we go. Okay, so it must not be too bad. I got my comfort lock open. Whew, I was worried. Alrighty, I'm gonna call it a quits because oh, rotate sidebar. Oh crap! What do you mean sidebar? Where? What side is the sidebar on? I don't know nothing about no sidebar. What? I'll see. Alrighty, so it looks like this block is going to be my introduction to sidebars. Gonna have to look it up. Alrighty. Thanks for showing up. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Y'all have a nice